Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are gonna solve this basic complex number question. We have 1 plus I raised to the power of 2023 and we want to find the standard form for this question, actually, for this number. Now my friends, the powers of I, as you all know, are I to the power of 1 is I squared is negative 1 by definition, I cubed is I squared times I, which is negative I, and I to the fourth power is I squared times I squared, which is 1, and it just repeats itself after the fourth power. The integer powers of I repeats itself. Now 1 plus I is also a special number for complex numbers, since 1 plus I all squared is equal to 2i. Let me show you. This is equal to 1 squared, which is 1, 2 times 1 times I, which is 2i, and I squared, but I squared is equal to negative 1, as I said. So we have this 1 and negative 1 cancel. We have 2i. For 1 plus I squared, we have 2i. So we will use this now. We have 1 plus I to the power of 2023. We will first write this as 1 plus I to the power of an even power, which is 2022, times 1 plus I. Then this power 2022 also can be written as 1 plus I squared, again raise it to the power of 1011, I guess, times this 1 plus I again. So we will find 2i, which is 1 plus I squared, to the power of 1011 times this 1 plus I. This is the question now, and this is not a hard question, since 2i to the power of 1011 is equal to 2 to the power of 1011 and I to the power 1011. Again we have 1 plus I. Now we have a last problem here, that is, what is I to the power of 1011? This is I cubed. Let me first write, then show why. This is I cubed times 1 plus I, and I cubed is equal to negative I, as I said before. We have 2 to the power 1011 times negative I, and times 1 plus I. If we just distribute this negative I, we will have 2 to the power of 1011 times negative I and negative I squared, and this is equal to 2 to the power of 1011 times this I squared is negative 1 and negative I squared. Negative 1, sorry, is 1. So we have 1 minus I, and this is the result. This is a standard form, since we have 2 to the power of 1011 minus I times 2 to the power of 1011. Now let me just shortly show this. I to the power of 1011 is equal to I cubed, since we have said the integer powers of I repeat itself at 4. So if we divide this 1011 by 4, we will have remainder 3. So this is equal to I cubed, and I cubed is equal to negative I, as we said before. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.